Before entering the chemistry lab, remember that chemicals are divided according to their danger into 5 types. 1. Organic solvents. 2. Acids and alkalis. 3. Toxic substances. 4. Carcinogens. 5. Flammable or explosive substances. The danger of dealing with these substances lies in the easy exposure to them by contact with the skin or eyes, inhalation of toxic fumes, and entry into the lungs, and swallowing when using pipettes. The solution to avoid the danger of these substances: use a real-life chemistry lab only when necessary. Use virtual labs instead to conduct experiments frequently. PraxiLabs provides you with 3D, safe virtual science labs in chemistry, physics, and biology. Try PraxiLabs for free now. PraxiLabs, the virtual science labs.